Hey, if you've ever thought, I'd love to earn an extra income stream, but I don't have the time or the experience to trade, then stick around. Because today, I'm going to show you how complete beginners can generate weekly income using options trading with something called the Smart Investor Strategy. And trust me, it's simpler than you think. Let's be real. Most people are stressed about money. They're working long hours, missing out on family time, and constantly searching for ways to supplement their income. Maybe you've tried different side hustles. Maybe you've jumped from one strategy to another, but nothing seems to stick. That's exactly why the Smart Investor Strategy was created, to give everyday people a straightforward way to trade profitably without taking big risks and without needing years of experience. So, what is the Smart Investor Strategy? It's a single options trading method that uses just two lines on a chart, a red line and a blue line. That's it. No complicated indicators, no endless research, no second-guessing yourself. This strategy is designed to help you identify opportunities, place trades, automate them, manage them, and exit them, all with the goal of extracting gains every single week, whether the market goes up, down, or sideways. Here's why beginners love it. It's step-by-step. You'll be guided through video modules that show you exactly how to use the red and blue line strategy. It's flexible. You can watch the training at your own pace, from the comfort of your home. It's practical. You'll learn how to open a trading account, even if you've never done it before. It's actionable. You'll get trading ideas you can place straight away, including 2 set-and-forget trades that run almost on autopilot. And the best part? You don't need a huge amount of capital. Some trades can be placed with as little as $100, though having $1,000 gives you more flexibility. Now you might be wondering, does this really work? Sean Allison, the creator of the Smart Investor Strategy, has spent over 15 years teaching people from all walks of life, from single parents to CEOs, how to replace or supplement their income using this exact method. Some members have even turned a few $100s into thousands. And thanks to automation tools, many trades can be set up to run passively, so you don't have to sit at your computer all day. When you join the program, you're not just getting training videos. You'll also be invited to a 2-day live online masterclass. This is where you'll cement your knowledge, place trades with expert guidance, and even get access to a trade with the potential to 100 times your money within 12 months. Plus, you'll have unlimited email support for 12 months. That means whenever you have a question, you can reach out to a team with over 35 years of combined experience using this strategy. And here's something that really sets this program apart: the satisfaction guarantee. If you've opened a trading account, placed at least 12 trades using the strategy, and haven't made at least 10 times your training fee back within 24 months, you'll get 100% of your training fee refunded. And you still keep the program. That's how confident they are in the Smart Investor Strategy. So if you're tired of spinning your wheels financially, if you're looking for a simple, beginner-friendly way to generate weekly income from home, and if you want a proven strategy that works whether the market goes up, down, or sideways, then the Smart Investor Strategy is for you. Click the link below to learn more and get started today. Remember, all you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a trading account, and you could be on your way to creating a brand new income stream. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.